Hey kids, come out, come out, come out, come out and play. Hi Ava. Hey you. Everybody's sleepy. Everybody's sleepy. Of course, who's in the middle of things? I can't get far enough away. Guys, go down there. Go down there instead of being up here. Skinny my link. Do I have good smelling toes? Hi Ava. That's my girl. I hear somebody purring. Yes, Ava. Well, hello. What am I doing, huh? Ow. Hi, Pinky. Stinky Pinky. Ow, Ava, that's my neck you're jumping on. I don't know what it is, but Eloise likes to bite my legs. Ellie, what are you doing? Hi, Weezies. Hi, Weezies. There's Fathead. Who's this? There's Pinky and Weezies. Oh, what's his face? Kinkle's over here. Always off by himself doing something. He's up there. Come on, missies. Come play. Come play, Claire. Ow, that's my foot, you little varmint. That's my foot, you little horror. What you guys doing over there? Hey, you cutie boy. Ouch. Everybody's playing and Ava's over here rubbing and purring. You gonna stay in that all night? You gonna stay over there all night, huh? You gonna stay over there all night? Everyone else plays with the toys. Ava has to kill it. She's just so intense. Hey, Skinny Malink. Hey, you. Hey, Claire, you came back down, huh? Fathead. Hey, Kinky, you decided to come play, huh? You decided to come play too? This is when they start running around and around the cages. Hey, Claire Bear. You're not Claire. Oof. Of course, the fun part of the stick is the handle. It probably smells a little bit like chicken. I've been boning a chicken all night for you guys to have some chicken. Yep, she's back there eating my foot again. Got a good picture of your bottom kinks. What's going on up there, Claire Bear? What you doing, Claire Bear? Come see it. Come get it. Hey, come here. Come and get it. Oops. There, come and get it. Yes. Get it. Oh, yeah. This is very hard to do. Huh? What do you think? Ouch. He jumps on them. It's like an elephant jumping on them. Ow! Would you like quit eating my foot, you little varmint? Little horrible thing. What you looking at, bud? What you looking at, bud? Hey, heaps. So you can see they're nice and healthy and fat and rotten. Ava, what are you doing up on my chest, huh? Ow! That hurt. Ava is, of course, back here again. She says, you've got chicken on you. Ava. See how sweet I am. I'm so sweet. A little too close. And here comes the elephant again. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing, Ozzy? Oof. Hi. You're getting all grown up. No, don't get the camera. There he is. Hi. Yes, you say hi to Mama Debbie. Say to Mama Debbie, say hi, I'm here. Look, I have a big nose. Well, everybody's dispersed, so I think I'm going to feed them dinner.